Pakistan. 500 charge?
Yeah, 500.
Because?
High helmet.
Yeah, because why are you doing that? Ay, sure, nagkakagulo na po, nagiligiran na ako. Okay, go. Nagkukumpulan na sila, pauwi na sana ako. Sure.
Please say to my friend hello and
Sure, hi to Aisha's friend. This is Kate Ret. I'd like to say hi to you guys. Kuya, at least you know, once in my life, naranasan ko maging artista. Can you say hi first? Sure.
how do you find Pakistanis? What is the impression of Pakistani people on your mind?
Sure, but before I answer that, hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Kate Ret. We're currently here in Islamabad, Pakistan. Hey everybody, citizens of the planet Earth. Good afternoon from Islamabad, Pakistan. So for today's video, come with me as I will explore Faisal Mosque today. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Kate. Alam mo, may na ako mag-i-intro. So we are currently here in one of Islamabad's public market. Let's go ahead. I'm going to be needing to... No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. I'm just going to be needing to find food first before I head to Faisal Mosque. I'm good, thank you. So, ayun. Hanap tayo ng food and then punta na tayo sa Faisal Mosque. Alam mo, hanap tayo ng ano. Hello. Do you have like the Pakistan shirt? The one with Pakistan like this? Just the simple t-shirt. Do you have it? I don't have it. Thank you, shukriya. Daming barbecue. Hello. Salam alaikum. That's my favorite. I'm gonna order. How much is this?
1,300.
1,300? No, I don't eat. Hello. I'm good.
From us.
You also wanna take video? Are you Pakistani?
No, I'm from Afghanistan.
Okay, because you don't look like one.
I'm from America.
Really? Amazing. No, I don't need 12 pieces. Maybe just... For one piece, how much?
One piece?
Yeah. No, I'm not from China. I'm from Philippines. No, Philippines.
Philippines?
Yeah.
What's the name of your
Channel? It's Kate Toretto. Kate Toretto. How much is this one?
360.
Okay. Spicy or no? Okay. I'll get one. Yeah. Do you have any rice? Afghan pulao. Why?
Pulao.
Pulao rice? How much?
850.
Huh? I just eat small. Why everything is big?
Menu. Pulao, 800.
Ah, laki nga, no? Patingin ka na ako magpulaw. Para i-recta ko na, wag na ako mag-chicken. Wait, cancel the chicken. I don't need the chicken for now. I think I'll just do the Afghan. Malaki lang yung serving. Ang laki nun. Magsasayang na naman ako ng food. Wait, this one comes with, where is this? Where's the Afghan pulao?
Afghan pulao, kabli pulao.
It comes with mutton already? Or just rice?
No, with beef.
Ah, this one?
Yes.
Okay, one.
All of, 1 and 2, second and first one is with beef.
Okay, egg. This one.
You want this?
Beef, yeah.
And one piece of
Egg. No, need.
You don't want?
Yeah. So, just one, yeah? Alright. Hoy, alam mo, hindi ako papayag kasi gusto ko talagang umupo doon kasi yung full experience. Pero itatanong ko kasi ayoko mailang talaga yung mga lalaki pag umupo na ako. Kasi alam ko mag-a-adjust silang lahat eh. So, ayan tayo. Ay, kumain lang. Ayun. Shukriya. So, eto, dito na tayo nakahanap ng kakainan. Pagbaba ko ng hotel ko, Taray Hotel, hindi na siya hostel. May nakita ko agad kainan, sobrang daming tao. So, sure yan, masarap. Ay, grabe, yung amoy pa lang, sobrang bango na. It's good. Sobrang sarap. Alam mo, pag inubos ko to, which is hindi ko kaya, pwede na kaya akong mag-tea? Hindi ako sure. My God, kinombo ko na naman ng tea at yogurt. Sir, can you put this in a parcel? Yeah. Like box? Parcel. This one, yeah? Shukriya. Is that Sulaimani? Sulaimani? That one? Hindi ko alam kung pwede na akong mag-tea, pero try lang natin. Pag sumakit yung tiyan, maggamot. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Yung food na ako mamayang gabi, pinabalot ko na lang yung natira ko kasi hindi naman ako kumakain talaga ng ganun kadami. Grabe. Ito na ang pagkakataon para kumain ng tea. At uminom pala. So tapos na akong kumain, magbabayad na ako. And hayaan mo na mga susunod na mangyayari. Hello. Salam alaikum. How much is it? Afghani pulao and Sulaimani.
150.
Ha?
150.
No, also the pulao.
That 5.
Uh-huh. Okay. It's okay, you don't need to explain. It's okay. English. Yeah, this is only... What time do you guys open?
We are open from 11 o'clock in the morning up to 12 o'clock in the evening.
Okay. I will be back by then. I'm just gonna go to Faisal Mosque. You look like a dal. Like you know what a dal is?
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Oh yeah, not the flood. That's okay, it's okay. So ayun, may nangyayaring checkpoint doon. Pinahinto yung driver ko, ewan ko kung hinuli ba siya. Medyo malayo pa ako pero kailangan ko na siyang lakarin because I cannot wait for him. Hindi na rin ako aabot sa sunset. Sana umabot ako. Because ayun talaga yung pinunta ko sa Faisal Mosque. Oh my God. May 10 minutes din ako naghihintay doon. Pero umalis na ako. Naglakad na ako because I don't wanna wait for him. I know he's gonna take time. So ito yung nilalakaran ko. Papunta sa Faisal Mosque. Malayo pa siya. Sana umabot ako sa sunset. Pero feeling ko hindi na. Okay, ayun. Ito na yung driver ko. Sana nakakausap niya yung police. What happened?
Gave you a charge.
Yeah, what? Because why? What happened? Why did he charge you? Huh?
School here. I want some school here, but it's fine.
500 charge?
Yeah, 500.
Because?
Because high helmet.
Yeah, because why are you doing that? Oh, ayun pala yung reason kaya siya chinarge yung helmet niya raw hindi nakasuot ng maayos. Totoo bang zebra yun? Ay, totoong zebra! Okay. Oh, ayan. Buti bumalik siya kasi malayo-layo yung lalakarin ko. Shoot, ha. Here. Oh, shukriya.
Thank you.
Oh, drive safe, ha. Buti pinalampas ka noon. Pinagbayad daw siya ng 500 PKR na fine. Tinaas na raw kasi yung helmet niya. Eh, ba't mo kasi tinaas? Diba? Uy, Faisal Mosque Skrill. Wait lang. Processing tayo. Ito na siya. Uy, totoo na to. Faisal Mosque na to. Everybody, welcome to Faisal Mosque. Hoy, pinagtitiripan nila ako. Sinasabi nila Chinese ako. Chinese, China. Hoy, ang surreal nito. Sobra. Faisal Mosque, everybody. Grabe, ang daming tao dito. Hala siya. May tubig pala. Salam alaikum. Okay, kung gusto nyong malaman yung amoy sa Faisal Mosque, bahala na kayo. Pumunta kayo. Sarili-sarili tayong opinion. Hoy, Faisal Mosque na to! Grabe! Kalain mo, makikita ko to. Who would have thought na makikita ko ang Faisal Mosque in real life. Ang daming tao, sobra. Everybody, welcome to Faisal Mosque. Nakakailang welcome na ako. I'm welcoming myself officially. I'm officially welcoming myself to Faisal Mosque. Uy, grabe. Ang ganda. Wait lang. Sorry?
Can we take a picture with my family?
Sure, sure. Like, with me?
With you.
Okay, sure. Someone wants to take a picture with me. Sure, let's take a picture. Let's do it. You have a beautiful family, by the way.
Yes, thank
She's
you, ma'am.
gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Sure. Wanna take a... Oh, ayan na, nagsisimula na yung pa-picture ng mga tao. Yeah, sure, you can take a picture. Okay, sure, with your wife. Sure, I can do that. Ayan, nasimula na ng mga pa-picture.
Uri kasi, uri. Uri kasi.
The cheese.
You can follow me on YouTube. It's Kay Toretto. So you can see this video. This, you can see this on YouTube. Take a picture. If you search it on YouTube, you can see it there.
Inshallah, we will must.
Yeah, hopefully you guys will. Alright, nice meeting you. Ayan na.
Good rings, man.
No, thank you. Shukriya.
Take one.
Shukriya, no, it's fine. Shukriya. Hoy, ano to? Ano yan? Parang Cornix. Hindi ko lang masan yung entrance. Wait lang. Sobrang daming tao. Uy, parang alam mo, balik na lang ako dito ng Monday. Sobrang daming tao right now. Kailangan ko ba iwanan yung shoes ko? I think I need to... Okay. Iiwanan ko nga yung shoes. Okay. Dito. Para makapunta tayo sa taas. Wait, do you have the same mother? No. Or brother, cousin?
Yes.
Okay. Picture again. Okay. Okay, I can take. Kasama ka na this time. Okay, sure. Amazing.
Okay, I take.
That's fine. Ikaw, okay, sure. Nakaka-celebrity to. Ito na. Nagsisimula na. Okay, so ako titingin ang daming camera. Dito muna. Hi, hello. Kay Toretto. Follow me on TikTok. It's Kay Toretto and YouTube.
Seen this camera? Yes,
Sure.
What are your TikTok ID?
It's Kay Toretto. It's just letter K, single letter K. I'm from the Philippines. Alrighty. Tag me.
We will follow you, okay?
I also want to take a picture. Okay, sure.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good. Ay, may pa-Snapchat sila. Hi for everyone who's watching it. Snapchat. I'm Kay Toretto on YouTube and TikTok.
Okay, come. We will
More.
follow you, okay?
Yeah, YouTube. It's Kay Toretto. Alright.
Picture.
I also picture. Okay.
Kya le?
Kaya hali. Take care. Aywa.
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you. Ayan na. Kaka-celebrity yun ha. Masakit sa paa. O ayan na. Legit nakapaa ako ha. For those who's watching, you have to remove your shoes. But why are there people who's not removing their shoes and slippers? Weird. Wait, may tag siyang binigay sa akin. Galing mo magdrama. Pang Big Brother yan. Pwede yan. Excuse me. Ay, ang gandang bata. Okay, ang laki. Hindi ko alam kung saan ka magsisimula. Sobrang laki niya. Grabe. Ay, celebrity ako sa Pakistan. Nagkakagulo sila. Parang hindi ko ito maiikot. Parang puro picture lang yung mangyayari sa buong araw na to. Sa totoo lang. Faisal Mosque, everybody. Sure. You look beautiful. Sorry, can we stay here? Because my angle is I look beautiful on the right side. Only picture? Video? You're welcome. Everybody, pag nandito kayo, be kind ha, kasi medyo may istorbo talaga kayo. Everyone would like to take a picture with foreigners here. Again, I don't know which side should I go. Okay. Hi. I don't know which side should I go. But I'm pretty sure madumi na yung pa ako. Assalamualaikum.
One video.
Sorry?
One video.
One video? Okay, sure. Yeah. Parang kada hakbang community picture sa akin. Wait, you know, you should tag me on Instagram after. It's video or picture?
TikTok uploading.
Yeah, TikTok. Take picture, it's my TikTok.
सही है.
Take picture. TikTok. Yeah, TikTok.
Wake सही है. I follow you.
Alright, thank you. And YouTube as well, yeah? Hi.
What is your channel name?
I'm here, take picture.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Alright.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines, visiting from Dubai. Here, take picture. Say hi.
Bye.
Alright. So, napanood ko sa internet bago ako pumunta dito, wala talagang bayad yung mag-keep ng shoes doon. So, nagtanong ako and then... Sorry. Hoy, eto na. Hoy, ang surreal ng feeling. Eto na siya, everybody. Never in my life I would have thought this is Faisal Mosque. Say hi. Yeah, picture. Where? The picture where? Pag may naglabas ng phone, naglalabas na sila lahat. Wait, only one at a time, yeah? Ay. Tignan mo, nakakagulo ng mga tao. Ay, sorry. Hi everyone, this is Kate Toretto. Please follow me on YouTube and TikTok. Ay, may shout out? Bakit may shout out po? Good. Ay. Thank you. Ang daming paano. Gulo na sila. Okay, sure. Good. Amazing. It's good. Is that a video? Hi. Ayan, nasunod-sunod na sila. Ay, ang dami nangyayari. Okay. Ay, nako. Saan ako pupwesto? Ay. May paano. Thank you. Shukriya. Good. Yeah. Ayan, TikTok ID. Ayan na. Ay, okay, 1 second. Sure, no problem. More? Amazing. Sure. Why too much edit? Okay. Hindi na ako naka-move. Ay, may pa-shade si Mayo. Ay, shinadesan pa ako. Oh, go. Ay, video. Okay, Iowa. Pakistan Sindabad.
Hello.
Sure. Alright. Okay, take picture. Okay. Sure, sure. Oh, yung content ko today, ano, meet up with the fans. Hello. Amazing. Ay, sure, nagkakagulo na po, nagiligiran na ako. Okay, go. No, I'm not Nihao, I'm Philippines. Philippine. Ay, ang dami na nila. Okay.
One pic, please.
TikTok ID, this one. No, Filipino. Good. Shukriya. Alright, you're welcome. Okay. Sure, sure, sure.
आप भी आ जाओ आप भी
Ay, celebrity naman ako dito. Okay, picture with the family.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're Pakistani as well?
बंद हो गया
Ah. Alright. Relax. Say hi! Good? I'm not Nihao, ma. I'm Philippines. Kamusta ka? Alam mo, yung content ko for today is ano? Ano to? Anong content ko? Bakit ka umiiyak? Everybody, this is Faisal Mosque. Ay, may humahabol pa. Okay, right side. No, I'm Filipino.
One picture.
No, I'm not Chinese. No, here. Yeah, okay. Hi. Okay, sure. Yes. Shukriya. I also you. Okay, amazing. Good. Okay, sure. Yeah, sure.
ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلله فلا هادي له.
Okay. Ay, nakakadami ka na, kuya. This is your 4th time. Ang dami mo na. Amazing. Ito. More picture.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Thank you.
وتعالى
Saan ako magpipicture? Dito lang ako magpipicture.
يصلح لكم أعمالكم
Sure.
ويغفر لكم
Ha?
الله ورسوله
Ano daw? Ano mag-picture? Picture.
قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم النكاح من سنتي وفي مقام آخر
Para mas gusto ko yung nagpipicture, ang gwapo.
سنتي فليس مني أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام
دعبك يا راوي لسنا نجدوش
बहुत मुबारक करे दुआ करते हैं अल्लाह ताला निकाहों में बरकतें अता फरमाए
बस थैंक यू
Good. You're welcome. Ang gwapo nung nagbi-video. Ipapakita ko. Say hi! Mas gwapo pa yung nagbi-video, mami. Sa totoo lang. Sorry? Okay, sure. Hi everybody, it's Kate Toretto. I'm here in Islamabad, Pakistan, Faisal Mosque. Nice meeting you. Sure.
Thank you.
Shukriya, you're welcome.
Can I make a
Sure. Where are you from? I'm from the Philippines. What's your name? Kate Toretto. Hi everybody, it's Kate Toretto. I'm here in Islamabad, Faisal Mosque. Nice meeting you. Hi, Mar. You're here. Yeah, I can take. Okay. So, now hear me. Right side only. Pagod na ako. Parang kailangan ko kumuha ng cameraman.
You are from China?
No, I'm from the Philippines. You wanna take picture as well? Okay, sure. Amazing. You're welcome. Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ang bait nung bagets. Ay.
One selfie.
Sure.
Let's begin.
Hi! Ang cute ng bata! Hello!
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Hi, everybody. Alright. Ay, okay. Sure, sure. Alright. My name is Kate Toretto. Here, take picture of my channel. I just take picture of the channel. Picture. Thank you. Sure. I'm from the Philippines. Yes. Alright, nice meeting you. Sana makapasok muna ako. Pagbalik na tayo ulit mag-picture, everybody. Sorry, what's your name again?
Ifra. My name is Ifra, and
Mm-hmm.
I used to make videos. I'm also teaching in University of Central Punjab, so
Okay.
it's a part-time job, you can say that. So I want to ask some questions from
Oh, sure.
you. That how do you find Pakistani? What is the impression of Pakistani people on your mind?
Sure, but before I answer that, hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Kate Toretto. We're currently here in Islamabad, Pakistan. Ashraf, right? Sorry,
You know, I didn't
Your name?
understand you.
Ifra.
My name is Ifra.
Ifra, all right. Ifra is here with me, so she also has a YouTube channel, and she invited to do some interview with me. So yes, my first impression about Pakistan, I think it's beautiful. I'm from the Philippines. I'm actually here to promote your country to the Philippines.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
that's
because
very
most
great.
of the people in the Philippines, like, they do not know about what Pakistan really is.
Okay.
So I think it is a best chance, and it is a best platform to promote Pakistan, that Pakistan is not just like a war zone. They should see like how beautiful Pakistan is. Most especially now that Filipinos can actually apply electronic visa going to Pakistan.
Ah, that's great,
Yes.
and it's like a very honorable thing for us. If
Yes.
you are promoting our country, what can be better than this?
Thank you.
And how long have you been in Pakistan?
I have been here for, I arrived last April 28th. I'm so sorry, but I do not track dates and days.
No
I
problem
always
at all.
just, you know,
I'm
like,
the same. Okay, fine.
I don't really do it.
Okay, and where you used to live in Pakistan? Maybe there is a specific place, or do you have any relative here, or no?
I don't know. I don't have relatives here, but I live in Dubai for the last 5 years. And for sure, I do have a lot of friends from here. But sorry, my friends, I didn't tell them that I'm here because I don't want to disturb them. Because I know like how hospitable Pakistanis are. Like when you tell them that you're in their country, they would cover all your expenses and everything. Like for example, me, every time that I'm going to go out, like people will just give me food. They will not let me pay or anything. And I don't want that.
Nice. Thank you so much for praising us like that.
Yes.
So thank you so much, and thank you so much for giving me time. I
Sure.
actually
My pleasure.
took a lot of time of yours. So thank you so much.
All right, nice meeting you.
Thank you,
It's okay.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Is this your picture?
Yes.
Ah, nice. It's very caricature.
You're so beautiful, by the way. I'm saying the truth.
Thank you.
Ay, is he your son or like brother? My
son.
You know, he approached me and he was like
My
so
nephew.
Yes.
Here's my brother. Come here now.
Thank you.
Shukriya. Nice meeting you. Okay, kailangan ko nang gawin yung shot ko habang wala pa lumalapit sa akin. Ah, picture us. Here. Yeah. Here. Good?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sure.
भाई एक मिनट
Hey, mama.
Alright. Okay, sure.
Madam, huh?
Alright. Okay, with shake hands. Alright, Shukriya. You also want to take? Okay.
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah, I am.
I have one selfie, please.
Sure.
She watched your YouTube channel.
Sure, I'll give it. Sure. Take a picture. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice meeting you.
Sister, one
Ay,
picture.
sure. Yeah, take. Sure. Yeah, you can take picture. Picture? Yeah. Good. Shukriya. Sorry, can we... Okay, sure. Okay, sure. Alright. No, there. They can take picture.
Thank you.
Good. Alright. Nice meeting you. Hi. You want to say hi to my channel? You can say hi. Here.
Thank you.
Shukriya. Say hi. Yeah, I can take picture. Take picture. Picture? Ano, okay. Nahiya na siya. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, pasok na tayo. Naka-ano na tayo. Okay, ito na naman tayo, ha? Pwede kayo mag-video sa loob. Hindi ako sure. May oras lang nang pwedeng pagpasok sa loob. It's 7 p.m. It's 6:25 in the evening, so we have to wait at least 30 minutes. That means magkuha tayo ng picture dito. Parang wala pa akong picture. Sila may picture na sila sa akin. Ako wala pa akong picture sa Faisal Mosque. So sana makapag-picture ako. Wait lang. Oh, ayan, madilim na. So, last ikot. 7 pa magbubukas yung Faisal. Ah, ito pala ang buong shot ng Faisal Mosque. Dapat pala dito na lang ako mag-shot. Oh, wait. Let's do it here, everybody. Yeah, I can take a picture. Yeah, picture. Good.
Thank you.
Alright. Good. Okay, sure. Okay, thank you. I got that.
Snapchat man, Instagram में Snapchat. वो भी साइड पे आवा ना.
Hello. Can I take a picture? Yeah, can I take. So, ito siya. It's 7:20. Hinintay ko lang gabi kasi ang ganda ng Faisal Mosque feeling ko kapag gabi, which is tama nga ako. It's so beautiful. And here is like the whole Faisal Mosque. It's really beautiful. There, impress ko ng hangin. Sobra. Let me just like give you a quick walk around. Kasi finally nag-stop na yung mga taong nagpapapicture. So, like let me take this moment para makapag-tour na. Kasi kanina hindi ko talaga siya magawa. Like, ang dami talaga, as in, nagkakagulo yung tao. But this time, I think it's more, medyo tahimik na. And here is the Faisal Mosque. So, we'll try kung makapasok tayo. Let's see. Separate yung women and men. So, paano? Ito na naman tayo. You know that I do respect women a lot. So, let's see how will I be able to go inside. Ito pa pala, there's also one thing here na parati ko nakikita sa YouTube before. And now, I'm finally seeing it in my own eyes. Like here. I thought there's like gonna be a water, like a fountain, but there's not. There's not. So, yeah, ang ganda. Sobrang daming tao. And I've met a lot of beautiful people. Everybody, Faisal Mosque is really, really beautiful. I would highly encourage you to visit whenever you decided to go in Pakistan. Ito siya, oh. Let's try to go inside. Not naman inside. I mean, okay, let's give it a try. Let's see how it goes. So the prayer is done. Basically, everybody or anyone can enter now. That's the prayer hall. And let's see. Assalamualaikum. So yeah, huwag tayo dito kasi may nagpe-pray. Huwag tayo dyan. Huwag natin i-capture yan kasi let's respect people who's praying right now. Let's capture whatever we can. And yes, this is it. Women section. So, as you all know, Pakistanis are conservative. Let's try not to capture as much as possible. Naka-autofocus naman yung camera ko, so anyone who's at my back will be blurred. So, let's give like a few more, isang ano tayo, Pack 360. Pack 360. No, wala ako sa focus. So that's it, everybody. I'm just gonna book my Kareem on my way back home. And I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog for today. So I hope you guys have a good night. Alrighty, thank you. Say hi. Hi, hello. You want to take a picture? Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Alright, sure. Say hi. No, here, there. It's just a light for me.
हमारी ले लेना इस मोबाइल से आ जाओ हम ना wait a minute एक मिनट thank you
You're welcome.
आ जाओ आमना आ जाओ Are you from China?
No, I'm from the Philippines. Yes. Sure, sure. Ba't ka umiyak?
I take इनके साथ ही selfie oh hey 1 minute okay
Sure.
Thank you.
You're beautiful. The kids? Sure.
My baby kid.
Oh, sure. Amazing. Let's take a picture with the kids first, yeah? Yeah, let's do the kids first. No, where's the camera? There. Alrighty. Oh, sure. You also. Oh, come. Alrighty. Bye-bye. Stop crying.
Have any picture?
Sure. Let's do it. No, where's the phone? Ah, there, okay. Sure. Okay. She's crying. Amazing. Thank you.
What's your name?
Kay Toretto. Sure. Okay. No, there. That's the phone. Use your phone. This is for my vlog. Say hi. You're welcome.
One picture.
Sure. Here, sorry, here, on the side. No, there's a picture. This is my vlog. Alright, thank you. So, ayun na. Nagkukumpulan na sila. Pauwi na sana ako. Sure.
Please say to my friend hello and
Sure, okay. What's your name, sorry?
Aisha.
Hi to Aisha's friend. This is Kate Red. I'd like to say hi to you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, sure. Kuya, please, you know, once in my life naranasan kong maging artista. On the right side, please. Left side, sorry. Because I look good on the right. Amazing. Thank you. More.
Thank you.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your channel?
It's K Toretto. It's single letter K. And then Toretto, if you know Fast and the Furious, the Toretto brothers.
Picture.
Sure. Alright. Sure. Nagsimula na siya. You wanna take a picture? Sure. Alright. What happened to her? Sumisugod siya. No, look at there. Amazing. Sure.
One picture.
Alright. Where? Which camera? Okay.
One picture.
Sure. Can you say hi first? Sure. Ba't patangkad ng patangkad? Good? Sure. Good, okay, sure, you also. Alright, you're welcome. You also? Okay.
Everything comes to
Oh, you know, how long did you stay in Dubai?
I understand Filipino language.
Did you stay in Dubai? What? Saudi? Dubai?
In Dubai.
Okay, sure. Where in Dubai?
Sharjah.
That's not Dubai, that's UAE. Wait, the focus is done.
We have too much friend is Filipino.
Amazing. Sure.
Nice to meet
Good. Follow me, ah? Did you follow me?
I'll follow you.
Okay.
Wait. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. Hey guys, it's Kate Toretto. Welcome to Islamabad, Pakistan.
People is too much like a Filipino.
We are always welcome to you.
Thank you. Alright. So, pababa na tayo. Saan ba yung paakyat? Saan ba ako umakyat? Nakalimutan ako na set. Ang daming tao. Ano na ako. Parang, ano pa, meet and greet pala itong pinuntahan ko. Akala ko, kay Salmas. Charos. So, ayan, umuwi na talaga tayo. Dalian na natin, bumaba na tayo. Napagod na rin yung kamay ko. May umahabol pa. Naririnig ko. Ito pala yung other side ng Faisal Mosque. So, ito yung right side. And this is the left side. So, again, it's beautiful. It's huge. Hello! Wait.
You're alone?
Always. I always like travel alone. You know, Islamabad is always full of surprises. Meet my kabayan, everybody. Hi! Meet my kabayan. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you.
Hi.
Yeah, sure.
Oh no.
Yeah, sure.
The joda hai, cross joda. Cross ray mein joda hai ka?
بس هذا مفك
دمك خلى ريك ده شافك كاميرا بدرس رغي की जोड़ा
Sure.
بغار اخويا और पानी क्यों
आपको
Alright, thank you.
okay
Tayo ay pababa na. Iniisip ko kung i-explore ko pa yung baba. Pagod na ako, seryoso. Dahil ko pa yung nag-meet and greet, seryoso. Pagod na yung mga kamay ko. Pero hindi nakakapagod kasi I can see like a lot of smiling faces. And their happiness to see someone visiting their country. So I think that's really one good thing.
Yeah, this is a low Pakistani country people.
No, it's fine.
Another country people like.
I live in Dubai for 5 years.
Yeah.
And all my friends are Pakistans. Like Pakistans are, you can trust them when it comes to your things.
Okay.
Yeah, more than anyone. Thank you. Thank you. Nice meeting you. O, umuwi na talaga tayo. Okay. Kailangan na nating umuwi at bago pa magkagulo. Let's go and thank you for coming with me for today. And I hope you're gonna enjoy. Ilang beses ko na itong sinabi. Kasi naman, yung uuwi na ako, biglang ang daming lumalapit. So let's do it. Good night, everybody. It's Kate Toretto, Islamabad, Pakistan. Good night. Cheesy kalas, wallah.
Kalas!
Kalas, Habibi.
Habibi!
Punta nga tayo sa may ilog. Tara, punta tayo sa ilog.
Swimming pool!
Walang magsiswimming. Puntaan lang ng ilog, pero ay sure. Tignan mo, doon hinahanap yung mga ano. Paano mo hahanapin yung bola? Where's the ball? Ay, hindi pa pwedeng pa. Tapos na. Who won? You won? Okay, 4,000. Okay.
Take a picture with them.
Ay, nalaglag yung star kasi.
Take a picture with them, okay?
Okay, may picture. Bisa ka bata ka.